Hi YouTube. Today we're going to cover 9 Crimes. It's a great, it's a fantastic little song. What's good about it, it's only got 4 chords. So these chords are A minor, F, C, G. The strumming pattern for this, down, 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 up. So we're going to go through that in that order, A minor, F, C and G with that strumming pattern. Now the verse and the chorus played exactly the same. Well, it's the same chords, however you've got to play them slightly, you've got to put a bit of feeling into the verse and play the chorus a little bit louder. So for the verse, he plays it quite softly. Now what I like to do, I like to rest a little fat bit of my hand there, so over the strings, and kind of mute it a little bit. What I've seen him do, actually, a little fact for you, this is actually written on the acoustic guitar, despite the album being recorded on the piano. So it's great for us to play on the acoustic. So what I've seen him do, I've seen him just strum gently with his thumb on the verse, so he goes. Just plays it like that. So try and play the verse softly, is the point I'm getting to. Chorus builds up a bit into a bit more of a strum. And is that alright, yeah? Give my gun away when it's slowed, is that alright, yeah? Don't shoot, how am I supposed to hold, is that alright, yeah? And go back into the verse, which would be nice and when he's on acoustic, sometimes I've seen him, if you fancied it, a little cheeky hammer on with the pinky on the 3rd fret on the 2nd string, so he goes very subtle. But put your own take on it, you know, mess around with it a bit, but that's the crux of the song, really. That's all of it. So it's a really good song to play, but one thing I suggest you do is put a lot of feeling into it. The lyrics are quite a powerful song, so when you're sometimes playing the same riff with the verse and the chorus, it can become boring unless you mix it up a bit, which is what he does on the guitar. I'll link to a great acoustic version he does at the end of this video, so take a look at that, use these chords and try to incorporate that. So I hope you like that lesson, because that's a great song, and that's most of it, that's all of it done. So if you like it, hit like and hit subscribe for me. I'll have loads more content coming out, so stay tuned, enjoy the song, most of all enjoy the guitar, guys.